Baby, 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 don't you know yet? I've been on a high.
Hi my lovelies, welcome back to Friday's face mask. If you're new to my channel then you won't know anything about this, but 2 weeks exactly ago today I had a fall and I've broken my humerus in 3 places. I was at the hospital again yesterday being x-rayed again, and they've braced me for now. They wanted to do surgery, but they are trying an alternative way first, because I've got other illnesses, etc. They wanted to go down another route to see if it would mend this way. According to the x-ray yesterday, there does seem to be a little bit of the bones haven't closed anywhere near together. However, the middle bone, because where it's broken in 3 places, it hasn't broken across, it's broken down in like shards, sort of like a snake's tongue, and digging into muscle and everything. So it really is a nasty break. But yesterday they noticed on the x-ray the bone, the centre bone anyway, has moved. I mean, hardly noticeable, but it is noticeable to them. It has closed slightly together, a little bit more. Well, not together, but nearer to each other. Let's just say that. So I'm in this now for a month to see what happens. Anyway, let's get back to Friday's face mask. This is another new little mini series that I'm doing, and on a Friday I'm just going to be using and reviewing one of the face masks that I've got, and this is the 3rd one in the series. So given the fact that I have only got one arm to work with, I'm opting for the easier one, if you like. So I think today I'm going to go with this one. It's the Derma V10. It's the anti-aging collagen woven face mask. It's got aloe vera, helps to improve your skin's smoothness, elasticity, moisture balance, and the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And it's suitable for all skin types, and you leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. So this is what the mask looks like. I cannot remember, but I think I probably picked this up in Home Bargains, I imagine. That's where I tend to get most of my face masks from. Anyway, so I have already done a cleanse, so I'm literally just going to pop the face mask on. When I did this last week I had a horrible spot here, but that one's kind of gone. But I now have got one here, which I don't know why I'm getting these spots. It's something I don't usually suffer with, but maybe given the fact that I'm on all this sort of medication and stuff, maybe it's that. So I'm going to get this on, so bear with me as I'm doing it with one hand. So I'm going to use what nature gave me, and that's my teeth. There we go. So that's open. So I'm going to reach in to take the mask out. Again, like most of the sheet masks, it's still very okay. It's still very wet. When I did this last week, I found it a lot easier because my arm was in a totally different position with a totally different sling on it. Now I've got this fitted brace with like rods through it and everything. And my hand is in a totally different place. I'm finding it a little bit harder because this hand is totally redundant. So it came with, sorry I'm having to just tell you this after I've taken it all off, but this mask came with like this bit on the top, which I've just taken off. So I just want to open the mask out, try and fathom which way up this is. Okay, I can see. Okay. Wish me luck, because this is going on. So front and the back. Okay, I'm going to do it that way. So it feels very, very moist. It's got loads of the serum in it. So I'm just going to pop it on and hope for the best. Let's go with it. Oh, where's my nose? There it is. Okay, I'm going to use the camera as my guide, my viewfinder. There we go. Oh, it's lovely. I love the feel of these, guys. So moist. Absolutely soaking this one. Is that over my chin? Good enough a bit. Oh, that needs to go up a bit, like that, I think. That down a bit over my nose. I've got a mirror here. I'm just going to bring my mirror down and see. There we go, that's better. I can see what I'm doing now. Right, so this one needs to move up there a bit. Okay, smooth all that down. There we go. They're funny, aren't they, these things? They're meant to be like one size fits all, and we've all got totally different shaped faces. Right, just try and smooth it on. You can see, look how wet that is. Right, I think that's the best I'm going to do. I'm going to leave that on for between 15 and 20 minutes as per instructions, and I will be back to see you after that. Feels lovely though. Hi my loves, so my alarm has just gone off, so I'm going to take it off. This one stayed put quite well. It wasn't, some of the others that I've used, they've kind of slipped down my face a little bit. This one didn't. It stayed there pretty well. I did have to touch it a little bit to try and get it to stick back onto my face because it was drying out. So that's a little bit of product on my face, and on the instructions it says to just massage it into your face. The one last week I had to go and rinse that one off, whereas this one I don't. And I think this is better for me and my skin. The ones that I've had to rinse off, they've left my face feeling quite taut and dry, and I was so eager to get a moisturiser on. Whereas this one, it doesn't feel like that at all. Maybe it's because it's the collagen one. It is a collagen one, isn't it? Yeah. Maybe it's because it's the collagen one. So, yeah, still got plenty of product in there. And that feels really nice. Really nice. Yeah, I'm really pleased with that. And that, my face doesn't feel at all dry. It feels, and it doesn't feel tacky. It feels almost a little bit greasy, but not greasy. Oh, I don't know if I'm making any sense, but I mean, it's obviously the collagen, I think, it's obviously the serum that's just sitting on the top there, but no, it feels really lovely. So yeah, I'm really pleased with this one, and this one I should definitely get again. I'll show you the packaging again just so that you can see, to remind you what it looks like. There you go. I will pop which mask this is down in the comments box below, so if you're interested in buying it, you know which one to look out for. So say I think it was from Home Bargains, but you'll know which one it is anyway if I write down exactly which one it is. And I will see you all for next week, Friday's face mask. If you have enjoyed this video, then please give me a lovely big thumbs up. That really does help support my channel, and if you haven't subscribed, I'd love you to. Thank you so much for watching, my loves, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. Bye.